Well, today's the day. All good things must come to an end. But not for any reason like the system is bad or anything like that, but the Jaybird, he got himself a new car and it's time to pull the stuff out of his old car. $140 system is going to be no more. But at least I'm pretty sure he got to enjoy it the entire time with no problems. Well, I'm going to bring him in right now and we'll talk to him about it. All right, we got the Jaybird here. So today's the day, huh? You want to pull all this shit out?
Yeah.
Yep, got your new G-Ride. Gonna get rid of this thing. Ain't no sense in leaving the system in it. So, how's this thing done you since we put it in? Is it still working good or what?
Perfect. Beat works perfect.
Nice. Plenty of enjoyment. Mids and highs still sounding clean. Got the seat up though. We need to pull the seat down. Bump some beats. All right, so did you actually use this at all? Did you ever pull the box out while?
All the time, man. I put a baby stroller in there.
Everything's still working perfect. It's bumping out here. So if you didn't watch the series, I'm gonna tell you right now, that box right there is probably the first magnetic terminal speaker box in the world. Removable, wireless. Basically, as soon as you take it off that platform, it's gonna stop bumping. Oh, hear that? I'll put it back on there real quick. Sorry.
Yeah.
Bump that shit a little harder. All right, so the next mission with the $140 install is to take it out. It's sad to say, all good things do come to an end, but he's got a new vehicle. He can't hold on to this thing forever.
Can relate.
Hey, this song sounds like it's slapping. Can we put the box back in one more time? It sounds like it's bumping. I got it. This is how it works right here. Woo! All right, so we're gonna pull the deck out. Maybe we'll pull the mids and highs out. I don't know, but at least the deck, the amps. Also, what else can I say about the Incriminator audio amps that's in there? No problems at all, Birdie Bird.
Not a single issue at all.
Man, and I know these Sacramento summers are hot in that trunk. So the Jaybird's car has been back here since this morning. I'm just now getting a chance to touch it and play with it and see what all still works and what all doesn't work. He said it all still works perfect. So, well, let's hop in there. Let's play around with it a little bit. Before I rip it out, I want to hear it one more time. Let's pop the hood first, see what's doing under here. Well, it's dusty. Last time you guys saw it, it was probably clean, but you know, the daily driven vehicle. Excess power battery still looking good. Wiring still good. Nice and clean. Zero gauge big 3. Pretty basic, right? But we got B2 audio, 6.5-inch mid-range right in there. And we got the tweeter up here, nice and clean. We got the Pioneer deck with the dash mod. So it all works in here. Nothing too wild. Back seats are up, but they can be dropped. Of course, I showed this a little bit this morning, but it was so dark I couldn't really see anything, so I decided to film a little bit more when I could actually get some light in the trunk. So we got the Gately audio box, DC audio. I forget what level they are, level 3s maybe? And the magnetic box, wireless. So this box comes right on out of here, which I'll show you one more time before I yank everything out of this car. But yeah, you take that thing out, put all your luggage, whatever else in here, put it back in when you're done. No wires, pops in and out. Of course, the second skin is still looking as good today as it did the day it got put in, and it works just as good. You can even hear it. That's so solid. Damn Pro. Yeah, I forgot it also does this too. A little bit of dust in there. She's a little dusty. We got voltage, we got mids and highs, we got bass, and we got the temperature of the amp rack. It all still works. Of course, the incriminator audio amps still working. Let's bump it real quick one last time before we pull it out of here.
Solo.
Everything's working good.
I've been
Nice and quiet back here. No noises at all. Like that. Got some crumbs and stuff, that's about it. Contacts are still looking good. Well, I guess that's all. I guess the only thing left to do is start pulling the rest of it out. That's Yeah, I need both you and KK to come over here. KK, even Anthony, if you want to. Come on over here. People that have ever pulled this box out before, me and the Jaybird. So to dispel any myths about how easy this thing is to steal, I'm gonna bring 3 people over here that might have seen me do it, so they almost have the technique, I don't know. But if they don't know how to do it, I don't think it's gonna happen. All right, Brando, check this out. Caleb. I put up that TikTok video and several people were talking about, oh, now it's easier to steal. Have you ever in your life taken this box out of this trunk before?
No.
Have either one of you attempted to take this out before?
Never even touched the box.
You never even touched this box before. Okay, so Brandon, today you're a thief. You are too, KK. I want you to take this box out of this trunk. Go ahead.
Yeah, right. How? I'm being dead ass stuck.
Go ahead, keep going. And middle of the night, ain't nobody around. The owner's gone, he ain't around. It's all you, man. There's no dogs barking. And there's no ghetto bird in there circling. Come on, go ahead. You got it. It's all you. Get it. It's yours. You get it out, man. It's yours, man. Oh, man. Shut that thing off. Hold on a second. Hold on. Keep going. Go ahead. Keep going, man. You don't give up, do you already?
Every time I really do try to get the thing out of
I mean, I know how to do it.
You got a lot of muscle.
It's a technique more than anything else. So anybody saying that a thief is just going to walk up and grab your box and take off there, look, you even got it a little bit loose and it's not cooperating with you because there's something else happening in there that nobody really knows about. Go ahead, KK. KK, your turn. Yeah. Look at the whole car's moving.
I don't even know how to grip. I don't even know where to start with this.
Exactly. That's the number one problem. Hey, middle of the night, man. It's all you. There's no homeowners, no guns. Go ahead.
I've seen you take it out. I know how you get it out, but I don't have the muscle.
This is no joke.
I just don't have the muscle.
Go ahead.
I know. I don't have the muscle to do it, dude. Those magnets are not playing around.
It's not just the magnets. They are strong, but there's other stuff happening in play right now. Go ahead, KK. One more try, man. I mean, so far, I'm letting this thing run 2.5 minutes. I'm watching this whole car move. Nothing is not. When you got it, you got it. Yeah. All right, so check this out.
Oh.
Go ahead. Oh, it's moving a little bit. It's moving a little bit. Oh, you got all night. You got all night. Well, you don't have all night because cops are on their way. You just heard a siren. All right, the pressure was on. Hey, well, what do you think, though, man?
That's tough.
Yeah, that is tough, isn't
I
it?
don't understand that.
Hey, why don't you pull it on out of there for me so I don't have to do it? Cool. So, 4 neomagnets, top and bottom. Let's see the bottom of this box. Yeah. So when it comes to neomagnets, shearing them left to right is a lot easier to slide them off than it is to pull them off up and down. So these are countersunk inside of pockets, which make it to where you can't just slide it off of the magnets. So it has to be lifted up first, and then it's also inside of a lip too. So the lip doesn't let it move, and neither does the feet that are going down inside the little channels. So my KK did get it out, but it took him a little while. There's no way Brandon was getting that out. And there you have it. Now it's time for me to start pulling all this stuff apart. Part of me wants to go over here and start cutting this 0 gauge, because I could just start cutting all these wires and have this thing out in a matter of minutes. But there's a nice amp rack behind this right here. I told myself I wasn't going to do a whole heck of a lot of cutting, but I think I'm going to cut the 0 gauge and cut the speaker wire. I don't really want to cut the RCAs though, so we'll spare those. It's official. It's cut. All right, it's out of there. Couple wires poking out for the next man if he wants to hook something up back here, but that's it. Criminator audio amps, looking good. Never gave any problems at all, 5 years straight. That's it. $140 install is a thing of the past, but it's still in good shape.